Welcome to Trotter. Today, we're exploring one of the most luxurious cities in the world, Dubai. The land of gold, skyscrapers, and endless dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to video. 1. Burj Khalifa. The tallest building in the world, standing at 828 meters. From the top, you can see the entire city glittering like stars. Visit during sunset. It's a view you'll never forget. 2. The Dubai Mall. One of the largest shopping malls on the planet. It has an indoor aquarium, ice rink, VR park, and more. A perfect spot for shopping, dining, and family fun. 3. Palm Jumeirah. A man-made island shaped like a palm tree, truly iconic. Home to the Atlantis The Palm Resort, Aquaventure Water Park, and the Lost Chambers Aquarium. It's a paradise for beach lovers and luxury seekers. 4. Dubai Marina. A stunning waterfront district lined with yachts and tall skyscrapers. Take a dhow cruise or enjoy a walk by the marina at night. The view is magical. 5. Desert Safari, an adventure you can't miss in Dubai. Experience dune bashing, camel rides, sandboarding, and a delicious barbecue dinner under the stars. End your night with traditional shows and unforgettable memories. So, which place would you visit first in Dubai? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Globetrotter for more amazing travel videos.